do this. FXR. Let's try this baby. Okay. Let's go. Free bird, dirty bird. Control right here. Full pull off free bird. He wasn't that bad. Here we go. We connect to lower animal here. I went too far right. Lost my line. Oh yeah, so good. I was gonna drink some water really quick. Whew. Holy cow. All right. Let's go. I'm going to lower G. All right. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That was so tiring. Oh my God. So basically, I start from all the way to the top, cross all that, cross through the under the freeway. I don't know if you can see the bridge, and then we just come down to lower G right there. I drink a little water under the tunnel. I was dry already. My leg was cramping too, but here we go, guys. So I pedal from the donut shop, if you're familiar with Rocky Peak, all the way up, and I didn't stop. You know, it feels great. It's not your typical enduro because you have a lot of suspension. Right now I'm riding a 200 and 190. You have the option of putting a 190 fork here, but honestly, if you're in shape, if you want to get the best out of it once you're coming down, this is the beast. This is what you want to get. Look at this. It's coming out, guys. It's coming out soon. This is just a prototype. Start putting your deposits. We're taking deposits so you can have your frame built any color. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Force FXR.